I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and then take action now. Verify OBS is on the latest stable build and that any import plugin supports your config format. Once done, disable firewall or antivirus briefly to rule out blocking. Make sure to re-enable them later. Next, open the config URL or JSON file locally or copy it to the clipboard so you can paste into OBS. This avoids network idiosyncrasies and gets you straight into the import steps. You now run the core import process and handle common failures. Open OBS and choose the correct import path, profile or scene collection, or use the plugin's WebSocket import dialog when applicable. If OBS rejects the file, open it in a text editor and validate JSON. Remove trailing commas, correct quotes, and save as UTF-8. If importing from a remote URL, verify the port, authentication token, and WebSocket API version. Mismatched versions often cause You finish by confirming the import and having one clear troubleshooting tip. After import, restart OBS and test scenes, sources, and audio routing to ensure everything loads. If problems persist, collect OBS logs via help, log files, view current log, and inspect errors for denied files or permission issues. A reliable fix is to regenerate the config URL from the original source, switch to HTTPS, and ensure the certificate is valid. This often resolves remote import failures when everything else looks correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.